Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So today we'll solve the number of employees which report to each employee. Problem number 1731. What we have given is an employees table that holds the following columns. Employee ID, name reports to age. Employee ID is a column with the unique values for this table. Means it will never be null and it will always hold unique values. Name is the name of the employee. Reports to is the manager he is reporting to. So employee ID of the manager that he is reporting to, and age is the age of the particular. What we need to get is basically we will consider a manager as an employee who has at least one other employee reporting to them. So if a particular person has one person reporting to them, and that person will consider as a manager. We have to write a solution to report the IDs, the name of all managers. So we want the ID and the name of the managers, the number of employees who directly report to them, basically, and their average age. That should be rounded out to nearest integer. Okay, and we have to return the result table ordered by employee. So let me give you a brief about this problem through the use of example. So here we have an employees table. Okay. So in employees table we have employee ID, name, reports to and age. We can see that basically only one employee is the manager over here. The manager that is employee with the employee ID 9 basically. So first of all we will report in the output the employee ID of that particular employee, the name of the particular employee, how many people are reporting to that. That's the report count. So we have two people, 6 and 4 reporting to that particular employee ID. So it's like the report count will be 2. The average age will be 41 plus 36 divided by 2, that is will be 38.5. That 2 rounded out to nearest integer, that is 39. So this will be your output. How we can solve? So we need to self join this table basically on that employee ID on column employee ID and reports to. So where the employee ID is equals to the reports to. One instance will represent the employee, and another instance will represent the manager. So let's see how we do. We will select. Okay, but we need to select. We need to select employee ID. Then we need to select the name. Reports to count. So this will be count of your employee ID. And average age as. So we used to use round function here. Round of your AVG. And that will be your age column. Okay, and this rounded out to as average age. Now we will self join this table, employee table, employees table. So employees table E1, this we will join with employees table E2 on E1 dot employee ID. So this represent your manager's instance E1, and E2 represent your employee instance. E2 dot reports to. Okay, I will group this record by your E1 dot employee ID and the corresponding name. And last thing we will order it by, because we need to order it by the corresponding employee ID. So we'll order it by employee ID. So in the select part, this will be formed as even instance represent the for manager. So we need to get the manager's employee name. So use the even instance over here. For count of EMP ID, that represent the report count to that particular manager basically. So we'll use E2 instance over here. Similarly for each also we will use E2. Yeah, and that's it. So what we are doing over here is that basically we need to find the employee ID and the name of the particular manager and the reports to count and the average age. Reports to count is the how many people are they reporting to that particular manager, and the average age is the age of the employees basically. divided by the number of employees that is. So what we are doing, we will do a self join between two instances, that is E1 and E2, both representing the employees table. And here we will join it on the column like E1 dot employee ID equal to E2 dot reports to. We'll group it by employee ID and name because we want it for each employee ID. So here E1 instance will represent the manager instance. So this E1 dot employee ID will represent the manager name. Similarly, E1 dot employee ID will represent the employee ID of the particular manager. E1 dot name will represent the name of the particular manager. And count of E2 dot employee ID will give you the employee ID count, which are directly reporting to that particular number. So that will be as a report under the count. And for age, we are using E2.age, E2.age, and we are averaging it basically. And yeah, we are averaging it basically, and we're rounding out to the zero decimal because we want it to round it out to the nearest integer. Like here, 38.5 is rounded out to 39. And that's it. So let me run this query, see if it works. So if our query got accepted, the desired output matches with the expected. So that's it. Thank you.